First, I'm going to add my cheeses to a bowl and put it into the microwave. Now that I have my cheese all melted, I'm going to go ahead and make my mixture. I'm going to use some cream of chicken. A half a can of cream of broccoli. Some mayo. We're going to mix that all up. And I'm adding a little milk also. Now I'm going to season my broccoli a little. Not a lot, because it's a lot of salt into the cheese. I'm using the blend from Kinder's and a little bit of onion powder. Now I'm going to mix my rice and my broccoli in with my cheese mixture. Okay, mix that broccoli. Get it all mixed up. Now that I have it all mixed, I have a pan that I sprayed my pan with. You can either oil it a little or I put a little baker spray in it. So now I'm gonna go ahead and put in a little mixture, half of it, and I'm gonna put a little cheese in the middle. A little bit of cheese. And go ahead and put the other half. And once I get the other half in, I put the rest of the cheese on top. I have my oven heating at 350, and I'm going to cover it and bake for 40 minutes. And 40 minutes out of the oven, and this is optional. Just sprinkle some Ritz crackers on top. Hey, PattyKakes here. If you're enjoying this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, share, and hit that notification bell. Set it to all so you'll never miss a PattyKakes recipe. Thank you for supporting our kitchen.